Hello friends, and welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. I hope that you all are having a wonderful morning so far. Are you ready to get started with our good morning song? Let's make our arms into a big circle out in front of us like this. Stretch up high. Let's give a little stretch from one side, over to the other side. Now let's bring that circle back down in front of us. And now it's time to sing. If you know the words, sing along with me. Here we go. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Let's jump right into circle time with our calendar and weather chart. Now the first thing that we need to do is talk about the date. And when we say the date, we begin with the month. The month is right up here. Do you know what the month is? I'll give you a clue. February. That's right. The month is February. And today is February 18th. So let's move the chip over from yesterday. Yesterday was February 17th. And today is February 18th. And up here we have the year. Do you know what the year is? 2021. That's right, friends. So let's say the date one more time all together. Are you ready? Today is February 18th, 2021. Okay, everybody, it's time to count the number of days that we've had so far in the month of February. So let's see those counting fingers and warm them up. Now let's start at the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whew, great counting, everybody. Okay, friends, now it's time to move on to the Days of the Week song. And because we have 7 days in our week, we need to hold up 7 fingers like this. If you know the words, sing along with me. Here we go. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now let's travel back down to right here. Does anybody remember what the day was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. So that means that today is Thursday. You're right, friends. And if today is Thursday, that means that tomorrow will be Friday. You're right. But let's go back to today. Will you sing Today is Thursday with me? It goes like this. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, today is Thursday all day long. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, today is Thursday all day long. Now let's travel back up to right here. This is the season. Do you know what the season is? Winter. That's right. The season is winter. Now let's travel back down to right here. That means that it's time to sing the weather song. It goes like this. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Friends, right now at my house, the sun is not shining, the rain is not falling, but something else is falling from the clouds. Do you know what it is? Snow! That's right. It's a snowy day at my house, but I say that it's flurrying. Flurry means a little bit of snow is falling from the clouds today. And my temperature chart is still on blue. It's a cold day with a little flurry coming from the sky. What's the weather like where you live, friends? Go look out the window and let me know what you see. Thanks for sharing with me. Are you ready to move on to the letter of the week? Here we go. This week we've been learning all about this letter and the two sounds that this letter makes. Let's say the short sound together. Are you ready? Ah, ah, ah. And how about the long sound? What does that sound like? Oh. And do you remember what letter this is called? Oh, you're right, friends. This is the letter O. Are you ready to guess what's inside of the letter box today? Let's see. Remember, inside of this box, I have something that starts with the letter O. Let's see. This starts with the letter O and it makes the short sound like this. Ah, ah, ah. Are you ready for your first clue? This is a type of sea animal. And this sea animal has 8 arms. Do you know what it could be? Here it comes. An octopus. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a real octopus to show you, but instead I made this octopus with construction paper and I used these pieces of yarn for the arms. So an octopus likes to live in the sea and oceans, and it likes to live in little holes that are found between coral or rocks. This is an octopus. Will you count its legs with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octopus has 8 arms, and the octopus starts with the letter O. O is for octopus. Okay, friends, we also have a new number that we've been talking about this week. Do you remember this number? 11. That's right. This is the number 11. Now, this week we've been counting 11 tally marks because we don't have 11 fingers to count. Will you count the tally marks as I draw them on the bottom? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more makes 11. 11 tally marks. Now inside of the box, I have 11 branches to count. Let's gather them all up. I have a group of 11 branches from a pine tree. As I count them, I'm going to line them up on the top of the box so you can see them better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 branches. What is your favorite work or your favorite toy to play with? Is it hard to clean up, especially if you made a really big mess? Well, I recommend putting away the work before you move on to something else. Now, earlier in the week, I said that cleaning up can be fun, especially if it's a game. Are you ready to play with me? Let's go. Let's make cleaning up a game. Do you see this big mess of blocks that I have? Well, instead of using my hands to clean them up, I'm going to use these tongs to clean them up. Now, when I squeeze them together, I'm going to lift up the block and drop it into the basket. For today's work, you will also need a timer or a stopwatch to see how long it takes you to clean up the mess. So let me get my timer and stopwatch. And when I'm ready, I'm going to press start. On my mark, get set, go! I have my tongs. And I'm going to squeeze and lift the blocks into the basket. Squeeze and lift. Sometimes you may have to use 2 hands if the block is very heavy. So I'm squeezing and lifting. 3 more left. 2. And last one. Let me get my timer and press stop. Do you see that, friends? It took me 33 seconds to clean up the mess. I wonder if the next time I clean up the mess, if I can do it in under 33 seconds. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Thanks for learning with me today, and I hope that you have fun cleaning up with tongs. I wonder if you'll set any records for the fastest time cleaning up. Let me know if you do. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and find me on outschool.com for my live and interactive classes. Before we go, we have one last song to sing. Can you wave goodbye like this? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.